Welcome. If you're looking to update your Discord app and make the most of its latest features, you've come to the right place. Today we'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to get you up to date in no time. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. Go ahead and locate the Google Play Store app on your device. It typically has a colorful icon that you can easily find on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you've opened it, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's search for Discord. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Discord. This will bring up the app in the search results. Check for updates next. If there's an update available for Discord, you'll see an update button right next to the app icon. This button is your ticket to accessing the latest features and improvements, so don't forget to tap on it. Lastly, we need to install the update. Once you tap the update button, the app will start downloading. Be patient. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll be all set to explore the newest enhancements in your Discord app. And that's it. You're now ready to get back to chatting and connecting with friends on Discord. Happy chatting.